Welcome to my channel Pratik E-Learning School, where learning is a beautiful journey. So in today's class, we are going to learn some basic to advanced English sentences. So without wasting any time, let's get started. How are you? Basic. How is it going? Advanced. I am very tired. Basic. I am worn out. Advance. It's time to study. Basic. It's time to hit the books. Advance. I am very happy. Basic. I am over the moon. Advance. It's a good weather. Basic. It's a pleasant weather. Advance. Good to see you. Basic. It's delightful to see you. Advance. Keep trying until you get an opportunity. Basic. Hang in there until you get an opportunity. Advance. Keep it secret. Basic. Keep it under the wrap. Advance. Let's meet today. Basic. Let's catch up today. Advance. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.